Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at your online store. On my sample site, we can see that our stores are well organized so customers can find what they need quickly and easily. Our store features our items in catalog groupings. Our customers can click on what they're looking for and then see a list of our products that they can choose from. Now, our products can be described in lots of different ways, which is why you can have your products included in as many catalogs as you need. Let's take this book, for instance. It belongs in the biographies catalog, but when you look in the nonfiction catalog, you can see that it belongs there as well, so it's included in both places. Now, each product has a more detailed page linked to it, so that the customer can get all the info they need to make their choice, then of course, add the item to their shopping cart. Now let's move over to the admin console, and we'll see how all of this is set up. First, let's take a look at the catalogs that are used to group our products. When I choose catalogs from the submenu list in the e-commerce tab, we see a list of the catalogs that are already included in our store. I have a main catalog for books, and inside it I have some subcatalogs that define different types of books my customers might be looking for. I can click on any one of these catalogs to see or edit the details. And when I click Next, I can manage which products will be listed for each catalog. On the left-hand side of the panel is my entire product list. To use it, I can simply select a product and use the arrow buttons to move it into or out of this catalog. And now when we go back out to the site and click on Nonfiction, our product shows up right alongside the others that were already included in the catalog. Now let's create a new catalog for monthly specials. Back in the e-commerce tab in the catalogs listing, I'll click Create a New Catalog. We start by assigning the catalog name, and then we choose an image to go along with it. I'll just click on the white box next to the field, and that opens the Image Manager where you can pick an image from your site, or click Upload to choose one from the computer you're working on. Then I need to choose a template for the catalog and the product pages. I'll set up my default template so that it matches the other products, and then I'll choose the books catalog as the parent, so that this new catalog will show up next to the others. And then click Next. Here I can pick the products that I want shown in this catalog. I'll just choose all the books that we have on special this month, and then I'll use the arrow buttons to move them into the catalog. Now, back out here on the site, we can see our new catalog on the main shop page right alongside the others, and when we open it, we can click on any of the products and add them to our shopping cart, just like before. Notice that these products haven't been removed from their old catalog listings. We've simply added a new catalog where these books will show up in addition to the old catalogs where they were before. Now that you know how to create and edit catalog groups, let's take a look at adding a new product to your store. First, I'll click on the Products menu in the e-commerce tab, and we can see here a list of all the products that you currently have in your store. You can just click on any one of them to make changes. The first page has the product name and the images it uses in both small and large sizes, as well as the product description that we see on the detail page. When you click Next, you can see your product prices. Now, if you need to make any changes to the product, just be sure to press the Save button, and your changes will appear out in the online shop the next time the page is loaded. And when you click Next one more time, you can see which catalogs that product is already included in. To add a new product, let's click on Products to go back to our list, and then click Create a New Product from the action box. I'll start out our new product by typing in the product name. And then, of course, we need to set up two product images. I'll start with the small image first. Using the white box next to the image field opens the Image Manager, and there I can choose from the images already on my site, or upload something new, just like before. Once that image is inserted, I'll do the same for the large product image. Then we can add our product description. Once that's all set up, I'll click Next, and that will save our new product so far and take us to the pricing page. Here, I'll just set the price I want to sell our product at, and then I'll click Next again to go to the catalog choices. Here you can see that our new product doesn't currently show up in any catalogs, but here we can just choose the catalogs that our products fits into, and then use the arrow buttons again to move them over to the right side of the panel. Now let's go out and check out our new product. I'll just go to any one of the catalogs we added our new product to, and there's our new book listing. Of course, when we click on our new product, we see the detail page, and we can even add it to the shopping cart. Now remember, you can always edit any product or add new ones whenever you wish. If your product list starts to get long, you can use these letters at the top of the page to filter your product list, or you can use the search to quickly find the product you're looking for. If you ever need to temporarily remove a product from the store for whatever reason, you can just go to that product and uncheck the enabled box. Then save your change just like before. Of course, when your product is ready to sell again, you can just go right back to that product and re-enable it. Well, that's it for our online store tour. In our next video, we'll be taking a look at the way your site automatically tracks customer data.